Hello, today we are attending the public scientific review session. I'm a committee member who is reviewing the abstracts and the presentation. This is a unique opportunity for the PhD students to present their work, also to share their knowledge, but also to interact with other PhD students. This is also a very good chance for them to see what quality they represent, and also, if possible, maybe to introduce new elements, new parameters, and new characteristics to what they are talking about. Also, it's a very nice networking opportunity where they can speak with mentors, but also with other PhD students freely, without cameras, without microphones, and just to share their expertise and also their experience.